In this video, I'm breaking down why your new roof looking kinda random is actually a sign of a top quality job, not a mess up. Alright, so you just got your new roof put on, and you're staring at it wondering if the pattern is all over the place, or if you're just being picky. Here's the deal. Architectural shingles are designed to look random, and that's totally normal. They're made to give your roof depth and dimension, so when you see different shapes and sizes arranged in what looks like a random pattern, it's actually intentional. This randomness helps make your roof look less flat and more natural, kinda like real wood or slate shakes. Plus, it helps hide any small imperfections or repairs better than uniform shingles would. If the shingles were laid out in a strict pattern, it'd look fake and boring. So yeah, don't stress about the way it looks. It means your contractor knows their stuff and followed the right installation techniques. If anything, this randomness means your roof will be more durable and visually appealing for years to come. One of the biggest mistakes people make when checking out a new roof is expecting the shingles to line up perfectly in a repetitive pattern, which is not how architectural shingles work. Another common issue is thinking that any variation means poor workmanship, but honestly, that's just how these shingles are supposed to look. Lastly, some folks don't realize that proper shingle installation involves staggering seams and varying the layout to prevent leaks and wind damage. So if your roof looks random but solid, it's actually doing its job. To avoid these worries, always ask your contractor to explain the shingle style and installation process before work starts, so you know what to expect. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid resource if you're ever looking for trustworthy local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to roofing or any other home projects. It's also a great way for contractors to find good gigs with homeowners who want quality work without the hassle of endless searching.